Hi siblings, it's me again, Yuli. So in today's video, I'm gonna be touring you around on how to use RingCentral. That includes sending a message, making a call, video conference, sending fax, everything. Disclaimer lang po na hindi po ako expert in using RingCentral. In today's video, I'm just gonna be showing you guys how I use RingCentral na give you idea on how RingCentral works. So let's get started.
But before we start, please do not forget to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and click the notification bell para kapag may bagong video ko, kayo yung unang makakita. Let's start!
RingCentral is basically para siyang WhatsApp and Skype combined but with more additional features. So since my application si RingCentral, this video will be more like parang may two parts siya. Papakita ko po sa inyo paano gamitin si RingCentral gamit yung desktop and paano gamitin si RingCentral using the application on my phone.
RingCentral is a paid application, and since it's one of the most requested video from you guys, I will blur some part of this video to protect my client and my client's patience. In making a call in RingCentral, all you have to do is just type the name or the phone number of the patient or of the office na gusto mong tawagan. Sa voicemail naman, dyan mo makikita lahat ng mga voicemail na natatanggap mo. In sending text naman using RingCentral, all you have to do is click the text and may makikita ka sa right part na compose SMS. Click mo lang yan and may magpa-pop up na ganito. All you have to do is type or enter the number na gusto mong sendan ng text, or if nakasave na yung phone number sa RingCentral mo, i-enter mo na lang yung name. In sending fax using RingCentral, pareho lang po siya kapag nagko-compose ka ng text. May makikita kang compose fax, then click mo lang yan. Enter or type the fax number or contact name, name ng office or company na sisendan mo ng fax. Sa cover page note naman, dyan mo pwedeng ilagay yung attention to someone, mga ganun. And then, name ng patient or name ng document na isisend mo. In attaching a file naman, click mo lang yung attach file or drag and drop mo lang here, and if gusto mong makita yung hitsura ng facsimile, click mo lang yung may nakalagay na formal and may makikita kang parang I, click mo yan. Dito mo makikita yung mga na-input mo na information. After mo ma-review yung facsimile and attach mo na yung mga needed documents or files, pwede mo na yung isend. There are two ways to verify if nasend mo yung fax. First is to check your fax history at may makikita kang sent and mga ilang pages. Second is tawagan mo yung office na sinendan mo ng fax. Dito mo makikita yung direct RingCentral number mo. I-click mo lang yung drop-down arrow sa gilid. Makikita kang direct number, main company number, and company fax number. Now, punta naman tayo sa mga additional features ni RingCentral. Kapag i-click mo yung parang note icon on the left lower part ng iyong screen, dito ka pwedeng mag-share ng file, create a task, or make a note. Kung i-click mo naman yung parang video icon, dyan ka pwedeng mag-make ng meeting, join ng meeting, or schedule ng meeting. Kapag i-click mo naman yung phone icon, dyan mo makikita yung mga call recordings mo. Now, let's go to the RingCentral application, and I don't know if my Android application sila, but I'm using the Apple application. Ang napakagusto ko sa application nila is napakadali lang po niyang i-navigate, and hindi ka talaga mahihirapan if baguhan ka pa lang sa paggamit ng kanilang RingCentral application, where you can also send a message, do video conference, meetings, make a call, and send fax. If you click the plus sign on the upper right corner of your screen, may makikita kang new call, new text, new fax, and new conference. And for me, this is the best and easiest part ng RingCentral application. Kasi kapag gusto kong mag-call, mag-send ng text, or mag-send ng fax, dito ko lang agad i-click, which is napaka-convenient talaga. Now, everything is basically the same, but I want to show you guys on how to send fax using the RingCentral application. Dito mo po ilalagay yung fax number, and if you observe yung cover page or yung facsimile ay nasa contempo format. Gusto ko pong i-change into formal. So click po yung cover page and may makikita kang maraming format options. And if na-change mo na yung format into formal, pwede ka na pong mag-add ng attachment or mga document. And i-review nyo muna bago nyo i-send. May mga additional features din yung RingCentral application. Pwede ka gumawa ng task, mag-make ng events, and pwede mo ding ma-observe or makita yung analytics ng RingCentral application. May mga admin tools din, and yung iba dito hindi ko pa po nagagamit, especially the billing.
I hope nakatulong po ang video nito na that will give you an idea on how RingCentral works. So again, if you have any more tricks, tips, additional information, leave a comment below. If you're new here on my YouTube channel, please consider on subscribing to my YouTube channel. Give this video a thumbs up, click the notification bell.
Kasi on my next video, I'm going to share with you guys the free website, also including how to set it up for your client's telemedicine call. Leave a comment below if you have any questions and suggestions, and you can also take a screenshot of that comment, share it on your Instagram story, and tag me, and get the chance to be featured on my next video. Thank you so much for watching my video, and see you guys on my next video. Bye, sweetlings. Take care.